Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to easily analyze and extract external links from any web page using a simple browser extension. To get started, open your Google Chrome browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type in External Link Detector and hit enter. Scan the search results and click on the External Link Detector extension, specifically the one offered by WebDeskArt.com. This will take you to the extension's overview page where you can read about its features. To install it, click the blue Add to Chrome button on the right hand side. To ensure the tool is always just one click away, let's pin it to your browser toolbar. Click the jigsaw puzzle icon in the top right corner to open your extensions menu. Locate the external link detector in the list and click the pushpin icon right next to it. You will now see its icon resting permanently on your toolbar. Now, let's put the extension to work. Navigate to the website or specific web page you want to analyze. Once the page has fully loaded, click the newly pinned external link detector icon in your toolbar. A powerful user-friendly dashboard will instantly pop up. Here, you get a bird's eye view of the page's SEO link profile. The top metrics show you the total number of links, how many are external, unique domains, and a breakdown of follow versus no follow links. Below that, you can scroll through a detailed paginated table showing the exact URLs, anchor text, and link status. If you are conducting an SEO audit or need to save this data for a report, exporting it is incredibly easy. As you can see, all the data has been neatly captured and formatted. Each entry clearly displays the URL, domain name, anchor text, link relationship, and status code, making it perfect for deeper analysis. And that's all there is to it. You can now effortlessly track external links on any web page. Thanks for watching.